Welcome back to Hot Car Track, and right in front of us is the first prototype of a Hot Wheels 4-lane 180 degree curve. This has taken 60 hours plus to print, and we're almost there. How good does it look? This weighs around about 1 kilo, and it is quite a big beast. I actually don't have the measurements on hand to tell you the inner and outer widths or the height. This will come later. I'm just showing you the first print. It's just come off the print bed, and I've loosely put it together, put some orange track on here just to see if the thing works. So let's just run a couple of cars through it, see how it goes. It's a bit hard, I'm just on my phone holding it with one hand and pushing the cars through. So I probably don't have enough juice in that. Yeah, overall, sorry that car stacked it. Not the Holden. But yeah, look, it works. It actually goes really, really well. As I say, just a few more edits in this, and this will be ready for prime time racing. I just need to work out a few bumps and a few joins. I did originally say that this was going to come as an 8-piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, I've just worked out that I can I can take these two pieces here, you can just see the join. I can take these two pieces here and form them into one piece. So that means it'll be a 4-piece 180. So it'll be 1 piece, 2 piece, that'll be 3. Sorry, it'll be 6-piece. It'll be 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4, 5, 6. Just like my dual 180. And that therefore just means we have less joins and less issues with any bumps in the track. Look, this is just sitting here at the moment, so it's not even really bolted in correctly. So please don't look at this and go, oh, it looks, it's too bumpy. It's I've just got it sitting here, okay? So anyway, look, that's our first look at a 4-laner, and I can't wait until this is completed myself, so I can actually start printing some out for my track and include this into my racing when this new track is built. Okay, there you go. There's our first look at a prototype. More editing to be done on this, and then I'll come back in a few days or a week or whenever it's done, and we'll look at the final product. Okay, thanks again for watching.